Hi, my name is Mark Garrett. I'm the Vice President and General Manager for Robertshaw. Thank you for coming to our booth. At this time, I'd like to introduce John Dooley, our Country Manager from Australia, to take you through a lot of the exciting products that Robertshaw has to offer.
We'd like to introduce you to our new range of wall thermostats, which we call Perfect Sense. The Perfect Sense range starts in an economy version, and we go all the way up to a Wi-Fi enabled touchscreen. In the economy version, we can give you a non-programmable unit. We'll do heat pump control, one heat, one cool, two heat, one cool. 24 volt units, battery backup. The battery units easy to access through the front. So non-programmable and programmable units. We go into the PS4000, which are our touchscreen models. These will replace any wall thermostat on the market. Has the ability to do all systems, heat pumps, all the way through. This is up to 2 heat, 1 cool, and 24 volt battery back. We have the PS5000 unit here, and this now moves us up into all the features of the 4000 plus programmable for 7 days. The marquee product at the top end of the range here is our Smart 5000. This is our touchscreen, Wi-Fi enabled, will replace anything on the market, and you can go all the way through any refrigeration air conditioning system. All right, welcome to the Paragon defrost timer range. Here's a familiar 8000 series, reliable commercial defrost timer, been installed by many a refrigeration mechanic over the years, still available. We'll move you on to the 9000 series, and this is the new backlit defrost timer. Big features with the 9000 series is the backup timer, so when the power goes off you've still got many hours of backup. Nice backlit display, operation from membrane buttons on the front here. As far as wiring goes, wire is exactly the same as the 8000, but gives you the added feature of 100 to 240 volts AC power. Our last one we've got here is the new 8145AV, and this is a new format using captive pins for setting your defrost timers. The clock is set by adjusting the hands there. Key features with this, as same as the 9000 series, 100 to 240 volts, power operation 50-60 hertz, and this new 8145AV will replace any commercial defrost timer on the market. So this is the Paragon defrost timer range. Here we are at the Echo stand, and we're highlighting our heat trace cable. So we have metal braided heat trace cable, we have silicon, and we have the polymer versions. This is self-regulating constant wattage cable. We have plenty of accessories for your installation, and particularly our resin-filled heat seal for terminations at the end. Part of the Echo range is the Echo gas monitoring and alarm systems. It's a two-piece system, both audible and visual alarms, utilising a wall-mounted sensor. Wall-mounted sensors can come in general refrigerant gases, ammonia and CO2. So this is up to 4 sensors can be connected to one master unit. Here we are highlighting the Echo Trap Person Alarm unit used for installations in freezers to enable any trapped person to signal their output. Comes with a master unit you can wire. It'll take up to 4 buttons, and this is the operation unit with the button and light.
Thanks, John. Not only does Robertshaw have a complete line of temperature controls and defrost timers and electronic refrigeration controls, we also have a complete sales team here in Australia and New Zealand to help you in your sales efforts. Once again, thank you for visiting our booth, and for more information on our product line, please go to www.robertshaw.com.